We just got this 1967 Ford Fairlane 500 XL that just got back from our body shop, guys. Brand new paint, just completed January of 2026. Beautiful car. This one here has an upgraded 302 5.0 engine. We did place the 289 sticker on there. Why? Because we wanted to resemble what this car officially and originally came with. But the previous owner upgraded the motor to the 302 for a little bit more power. Headers, aluminum intake, 4-barrel carb with the electric choke, power steering, and power disc brakes. They did a really nice job. Super clean engine compartments, aluminum radiator. Look at this paint job. Ooh, baby. Chrome is nice, trim is good, glass is good. Wheel and tire package is upgraded with the BFGs. As you can see, body is nice and straight on the car. Solid as can be. Trunk looks great. Original quarters, as you can see, the original stampings on there from Ford. Everything is solid here with the spare tire. Look at that paint job. Look at that paint job. Nice chrome in the back as well. Pretty cool stance. It's a little bit jacked up in the front. I like that old hot rod look. Nice chrome door handles. Beautiful bucket seats. Nice door panels. Factory pinch welds on the doors. Underneath, they did a nice job. Nice inner outer door jambs as well. Beautiful interior with the buckets. Factory console, triple gauge package, nice dash. Headliner is good. Dome light functions. Some paperwork in the back. Nice packet tray with the 6x9s as well, guys. I'm going to fire this thing up. I want you guys to listen to how it purrs. Nice easy start with the electric choke. Sounds good with those headers. Wipers function, as you can see there. Headlights on, headlights off. Horn works, triple gauge package works. Heat defrost functions. Sounds like a beast. You got your upgraded Kenwood radial with the CD player in the trunk. In the glove box. What's wrong with me? Super clean on the inside, guys. Let's listen to this thing purr from the outside. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church here in Addison, Illinois, guys. If you need financing, it's not a problem. If your credit score is 630 and higher, you will need 10% down. Rates start at about 8%. Long-term loans, low monthly payments, no prepayment penalty. Go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the credit application. If your score is a little bit over 775 and into the 800s, I have a no money down option. Rates start at 6.49%. If you need delivery, call or text. My number is 847-848-1850. Check out my wide selection, guys. I have over 200 cars that I handpicked across the country. We own them all, and they are for sale at our websites. Go ahead and check all that out. Feel free to visit our showroom in Addison, Illinois, with 2 buildings, 36,000 square feet of indoor showroom. Talk soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.